If you want to know how you can change the region, the date and the time of your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. Now first of all, just go to settings, then tap on additional settings. Now to change the date and the time, just tap on date and time over here. Now to change the date, just tap on date, and from here you can set the date manually. After you select the correct date, then tap on OK. And you can do the same with the time. Just tap on time, and from here you can set the time manually. Or you can enable set automatically. And after you enable this toggle, your smartphone will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. Now to change the region, just go back and tap on region. Now from this list, just select your region. Now for an example, I will select United States. And after you do that, you will set the selected region as the region of your smartphone, just like that. And this is how you can change the region, the date and the time of the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.